And a controversial bill aimed at toughening punishment for child sex crimes cleared the Alabama House today. But it didn't happen without a heated debate. Fox 20's Corinna Shadowan tells us what now is going to happen.
At the center of that hours-long debate, whether or not the punishment fits the crime and if the bill would survive a legal challenge. House Bill 41 would allow the death penalty for certain sexual crimes involving children under the age of 12. Supporters say harsher punishment is necessary to deter offenders and protect victims.
Every day that we can't punish those people, more and more of this stuff will occur.
Representative Matt Simpson says the intent of the legislation is clear.
The intent of this bill is to allow for the death penalty. So anything short of that would not have been really kind of moving the ball for where we're trying to head for.
But opponents raised concerns over constitutionality, cost, and impacts on victims, pointing to Supreme Court rulings that limit the death penalty to cases involving murder.
What is the amount that it will cost taxpayers for this unconstitutional, already declared law to be passed in the state of Alabama and then be defended?
Others warned the bill could discourage victims from coming forward, especially in cases involving family members.
By putting the death penalty on the table in these situations, we make it less likely for victims to come forward because they ultimately would have to make the decision as to whether or not to participate in the execution.
An amendment to remove the death penalty and replace it with life without parole failed.
If you establish life without possibility of parole, then now that person will be serving his remainder of his life in prison without a chance of getting out.
The bill now moves to Senate committee where it could be seen as early as tomorrow. In Montgomery, Corinna Shadowan, Fox 20 News.